we have today? Transfer case. Now let's see what I'm doing now.
Now I have BMW engine. On my Landcruiser I have transfer case and gearbox from Nissan Patrol, and I need adapter between engine and gearbox. I really want to complain. I ordered correct adapter, and this company, the name Speeding, sent me wrong. I lost 3 weeks. They didn't care about customer. They didn't want to make change immediately, so I need to wait so long time. But now everything in its correct place. I'm satisfied. Have a look how I connected all this together. Follow me to have nice experience.